NAPA. This is one of the great names that a stock could have if indeed you're a premium wine purveyor, which they are. They're known as Duckhorn. And the Duckhorn Portfolio has some of the best wines in Napa Valley, not the absolute, not Screaming Eagle, but, you know, some really good premium wines. And apparently Butterfly Equity, Pete, wants to do an all-cash transaction at nearly twice the price that this stock was trading for just a bit ago. If you pull up, folks, NAPA, you'll see what we mean. The volume today is pretty outstanding. And the idea that that they stepped up in here was pretty interesting.
Yeah, Butterfly Equity. This is a big move, John, because of the fact that did they have to even go that high? Maybe, but obviously when you're looking at a stock that's probably trading closer to $4 or $5 and they give you an $11.10 bid, which correlates, by the way, to $1.95 billion, that's a pretty big number. And the volume, to your point, John, last I looked, it was over 32 million and still climbing. Its average is 1.2 million. So yeah, I would say that there's a lot of activity going after this one. It's very interesting. They had some issues of late. They've had some gross margin issues, but the one thing that they've done very well, their sales volume has been strong. It was up something like 20 some odd percent or whatever year over year. So there are some reasons why you can understand. And I think maybe it's going to take somebody like Butterfly to actually be able to squeeze some of the value out of this in a better way, whatever that might be, however they're going to approach it. But this is a really, really interesting big buy in the Napa Valley. You got to love, as you said, as far as stock symbols, this is one of the better ones for sure.
Well, and Pete, what do you make of this? So let's say they are going to be acquired. Let's say that Butterfly finishes this deal. Stock opened at 11 or $10.96. Am I rubbing my eyes and saying what's wrong with this picture, Pete? Do you see where it's trading right now?
Something odd happened, John. I think there's some glitch somewhere, to be honest with you.
Yep.
But I think that based on the bid and based on the company, and it looks like this is like it's not a done deal until it's a done deal, but it looks like it's damn close to being a done deal. When I looked at the last time I looked at the option markets, they made more sense than when I was looking at the stock because it seemed as if it was a lot closer to 11. Are you seeing kind of an odd pullback right now out of the stock itself?
Yes, I am.
And I don't think that's real.
I would say dismiss it, folks. That is not where the stock is trading right now. It is not back down at $5 a share after opening at 11. With this deal on the table and no other news. Let me just pull up one last news source, Pete, just to see NAPA. Let's see here. Barclays moved up to equal weight with a price target from 6 to 8. Good for them.
That's a great job.
Yeah, that's not what's driving the stock here, folks.